not in any shape or form feel under threat in that respect. I do acknowledge the extraordinary pressure, as I said earlier, on families and people across the country in terms of the impact of rising oil prices as a result of the war in the Middle East. And government was faced with a very significant dilemma last week in terms of vital and critical infrastructure being blockaded, and we had an obligation to our people, to the state, to make sure that those blockades on the oil refinery in the middle of a supply crisis potentially, that would not stop refining, and we were warned it would. It was on the cusp of ceasing refining, and in the context of what's happening around the world, that would have done damage to Ireland. And likewise, we are an exporting country. We had to lift the blockades. Certainly, in terms of language, we can evaluate that in terms of how people perceived how the government was approaching that. And there was different strands, as you know, to the protest. And there were elements arrived in later, in the latter part of the week, that created challenges as well. In terms, it was a surprise. No one anticipated the nature and scale of the protests and the blockades, and there were many genuine people involved because they are under pressure. And we had been in discussions with the representative bodies following our first package in terms of what we could do on a more sustainable basis, particularly in terms of food production and in terms of